Hi future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, we will going to feature another project dito sa Pampanga, which is very strategic yung location niya, dito sa Hamana Homes. Together with me is Sir Alfred.
Hello, good morning.
Our broker coordinator. Sir Alfred, before anything else, we would love to know first the developer, sir. Who is
Okay.
our developer?
Actually, Hamana Homes, the developer of Hamana Homes is PHDC, Pacific Homes Development Corporation. Ang owner po nito is Century Pacific. Sino po si Century Pacific? Sila po yung may-ari ng Century Tuna, 555 Sardines, Argentina, Shakey's, at marami pa po. Actually, they are the top 14 richest
Dito sa Philippines.
family in the Philippines po. Yeah. So, speaking of stability, di ba? Thumbs up tayo dyan.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, they do have the financial capacity to really
Yes.
finish the whole development. Speaking of development, actually, we're here in dito sa scale model. So, as I can see, sir, parang ang laki na yata nito. How many hectares ba to, sir?
Actually, this is a 15 hectares project. 14 hectares po is the residential area. And the remaining 1 hectare is the commercial po.
Okay.
So, Hamana Homes po, para sa kaalaman nyo din, hindi po siya congested.
Okay.
So, ang tawag po nila doon is low density po. Actually, it's 83 units lang po tayo per hectares po.